This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can manually adjust the gimbal position in this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to launch the AUTEL Explorer app and enter the camera feed. From here, tap at this cog icon to launch settings, then select the gimbal category and go for the adjust gimbal. Press start. And well, you can manually change the pitch, the yaw, and the roll, position axis or axis positioning of your camera gimbal in the aircraft. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.